Timbre is the tone quality or color of a sound. It is property of sound that permit us, for instance, to distinguish difference between the sounds of a clarinet or an oboe. This sound quality is determined by the shape of the vibrating body. For example, its material like metal, wood, human tissues, or etc. And the method used to put in emotion. For example, striking, bowing, blowing, plucking. It is also the result of humans' ear perception of a series of tones called the harmonic series, which is produced by all instruments. A harmonic series includes the various pitches produced simultaneously by a vibrating body. This physical phenomenon results because of the body vibrates in sections as well as a single unit. A string, for example, vibrates along its entire length as well as in halves, thirds, quarters, and so on.